Hello and welcome to this video. Nick here with freedomlifebusiness.com. I hope that you are having a great day. Today, we'll be discussing the importance of telling the truth in an inspiring way. See, in a world that encourages and promotes dishonesty, it's important to recognize the value of honesty and how it can benefit us all in a number of ways. Telling the truth in an inspiring way can be a difficult task to accomplish, especially when it involves someone else's feelings or emotions. But it's important to remember that honesty is often the best policy and can make relationships stronger in the long run. And although it can be challenging to tell the truth in an inspiring way, it's possible. The first step to telling the truth in an inspiring way is to be considerate of the other person's feelings. Ask yourself if what you're about to say will have a positive or negative effect on the other individual. If you're not comfortable with the answer, take a step back and consider how you could tell the truth in a kinder manner. It's important to remember that no one benefits from dishonesty. So if you're honest, but also thoughtful and considerate of the other person's emotion, you can avoid hurt feelings. In addition to being mindful of other people's feelings, it's also helpful to be clear and concise when sharing the truth. Keeping your facts straightforward and avoiding unnecessary details can help reduce the other person's discomfort or confusion. Finally, it's important to express empathy when telling the truth. Acknowledging the other person's feelings and offering your support can help soften the blow and make it easier for the other person to accept the truth. Showing empathy can help create a sense of understanding, which can lead to stronger relationships in the long run. By following these steps and being honest in a thoughtful, supportive way, you can tell the truth in an inspiring way that doesn't hurt anyone. If you are open to earning from home in a principled way and without all the hypes, take a look at my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com, and see if our heart-centered values align with yours. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for joining us today for this important discussion about honesty and inspiring the truth-telling. Remember to always go for your dreams and stay healthy, my friends. Thank you and God bless. Bye for now.